So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create a logo here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva's opened up, what I want you to do is to actually go to the left-hand side of your screen, scroll down to the bottom, press on apps right here. Once the apps pages open up, just scroll down until it comes across the option that says popular right here. I'll keep going where it says logo maker and press on logo maker just like this. Once that is done, press on open right here. Now what you can actually do through Logo Maker is to include words or objects or shapes. So for example, if I wanted to create an object that is a red square, dog, face, and writing that says dog. I don't know, just as an example. I'll then press on create. So what it's going to do now is take this information that you inputted into this app, and as you can tell, it actually made a pretty fun logo out of this. So pretty cool feature, but this is how you guys can create logos here through Canva using the Canva Logo Maker tool. So pretty fun to play around with here, but yeah, turned out pretty good if you ask me. But yeah, that's how you guys can create a logo here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.